So there are actually tons and tons of categories and different products that are restricted, that require special approval and certification, and they require to be ungated for you to sell in. And in this video, I do want to show you guys how exactly you can find out which products require special approval and they require ungating. Let's go. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the Prestige Amazon FBA YouTube family. I did want to make this quick video just for you guys, but if you guys haven't checked out the Facebook group, definitely check out Prestige Amazon FBA Mastermind on Facebook. And if you guys do have an Instagram, check out the official Andy Lam on Instagram, where I post daily content on Amazon FBA specific topics. And if you guys are interested in a free 30-minute coaching, I'll stay till the end of this video and I'll let you guys know how you can be entered into winning that. And if you guys haven't already gotten the cheat sheet, I know I'm talking really fast, but definitely check out the cheat sheet down below. Completely free, super useful, especially if you're just starting out. And even if you're not just starting out, I think it's super useful. But I did want to create this video just to show you guys how you can get ungated, or how you guys can find out if certain products are gated or not. So I do want to hop on this right here. I have everything on my phone, so I'm going to pop up screenshots right here so you guys know exactly what I'm talking about. First of all, you guys do need the Amazon Seller app, and it's super easy to download. It's available for Apple phones and Android phones. I'm an Android user. Yeah, Androids. All my friends hate me for it, but just simply download it, make an account. You don't need to make a professional account. You can make a solo seller account, and when you open that up, you'll see a layout like this. You don't have to enter in all the information, but you should see something like this. So I think this will be more useful if you're doing like retail arbitrage or something like that, but it's still useful to find out whether or not certain products are gated. And I've actually done this for my private label products, so still useful all around. So you should see something like this. And basically you want to be able to go to add a product. And once you hit add a product, and in the search bar at the top, it says, search Amazon to sell. And what you're going to want to do here is pretty much either type in the type of product that you want to sell, or copy and paste an ASIN of your competitors, or something very similar, or the exact same product if you can find it on Amazon. And the ASIN is going to look something, the ASIN is going to start out with like a B00, usually starts with a B00, followed by a few numbers and letters. So you're going to want to copy and paste the ASIN into the Amazon search and sell search bar and hit search, right? And what should happen is you'll see something pulled up with the actual product on the Amazon, sorry, I have my phone here, but on the actual Amazon app, not Amazon app, Amazon Seller app. And at the top, you'll see something like this, right? I'll be showing slides, so hopefully you guys can see this on your screen as well. But you'll see something that says requires approval, and when you see that, it means that the actual item is gated or requires approval. As said, it may require certain certification, it may require authenticity, brand letters of authenticity. So that is exactly how you find out whether or not a certain product is gated or ungated. You can do this for I've never run into a problem where I can't, or an item where I can't search for whether or not the brand or the item requires approval to sell. So definitely check it out. Super useful. I would highly recommend doing this before getting into any product. And if you guys are doing retail arbitrage, this is super easy to do when you're in the stores or online. And then when you're also doing private labeling, it's super useful too, because sometimes certain products require certain certifications, authenticity certifications, and things like that. So hopefully this video was helpful for you guys. Be sure to drop a like if it was. If you guys are interested in that free 30-minute coaching call, definitely check out definitely like this video as well. Subscribe to the channel and comment down below #PrestigeAmazonFBA. If you guys haven't gotten the cheat sheet, definitely grab that down below because it's super useful. I put that together myself. And yeah, check out my Instagram if you haven't already, @theofficialandylam. Also useful information. Pretty much every single tip that I could ever imagine is on there, and I post it daily. So definitely go check that out. But until next time, I'll catch you guys at the next video. Peace.